In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use the discussion rooms feature on Slydyr. To get to the discussion rooms, click on the discussion rooms icon on the left-hand menu. A discussion room can be part of a group, or they can be a standalone discussion group not associated with a group. Below, you'll find a list of all the recently active discussion room conversations. To join in on a conversation, simply click on the title of the discussion room and then click on Reply on the bottom of the page, or click the arrow button to reply to an individual member. So now you can write in your reply, add emojis, hashtags, and even GIFs. Once you're done, simply click Post. Once you get back to the discussion rooms page and scroll to the bottom, you should see your slide on the very top. If you click on one of the groups, you can see the conversations that are in that group, but only if it is set to public. If the conversations are set to private, then you would need to join the group in order to gain access to the private discussion room. You can find a list of all of your conversations that you have by clicking on your profile picture and clicking Discussion Rooms or My Conversations. Contributing to the discussion rooms are not just a great way to ask questions to the MedLab community, but it's also an easy way you can earn points on the platform. Once you participate in discussion rooms, your points that you earn as well as the slide that you posted will be visible on your profile's stage. In our next tutorial, we're going to talk all about the Groups feature on Slydyr.